Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the Axen Gallery widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery plugin for Elementor. Axen is a minimalistic gallery interface presenting clear background graphics with a hovering title box on top. The gallery also lets you embed video over background with a visible play button. Let's check another layout. Clicking on the play button will open a pop-up window and start playing the embedded video with the video platform's control. For a video blog site, the Axen widget is a perfect fit. Now let's see the backend in action. First, drag and drop the Axen widget on the page from the widget menu. The first option lets you change the active column number of the grid. A little below, you can change the row gap of the grid. Just below, you can adjust the column gap too. The grid item height is also customizable. There are two switchers here to show or hide the title and meta description of the items. There's also an alignment option and you can change the image size too. Using the link field, you can add links to the grid. For media files, you will get a lightbox option that you can turn on to show content in a pop-up lightbox. The items section is where you can customize the individual WordPress grid gallery items. There are 6 in the list by default. Adding more is easy. Just click on the Add New button. Each item window gives you an option to choose your media files, an image field, title, meta, and a custom URL field. Let's first choose our image. Then we can change the title, then the meta, Going into the grid subsection, you can customize the individual item dimension by column span, row span, and height. Let's change the second item image. And title. Then put a separate column span value to match the total width of the content area. See how both of them fill the gap. For the third item, let's select a video media by clicking the video media type icon. Now select a poster image first. Then select your media source and paste the video link in the link box below. For the video media, you can customize the aspect ratio of the video from the settings here. Then you can use these switchers to turn on autoplay, loop, player controls, and mute start. Now change the column span to make it a bit bigger. Then let's change the row span for the next 2 items to fit the 2 inside the height of the third item. Then let's change the image of the 4th item. And adjust the column span to fill the width. Test it and then do the same for the 5th item. For the last 2 items, let's make the first one even bigger. Then just fill them with image and titles accordingly. At this, the base layout is ready. As you can see, the Axen grid lets you customize the whole layout piece by piece. Now we can go to the Style tab to make some changes to the grid appearance. Let's go to the content section and select the color for the background type. Then choose a suitable color that will show up behind the text area when you hover. Next, go to the Play Icon section to make the icon bigger by customizing its size. Let's make it pure white for better visibility. For the title, we can select white text color and different typography to suit our taste. Then for meta, do the same by selecting a white color and the same font from typography. Now hit the update button and let's test out the grid by going into the preview mode. Let's play the video first. Then click on the images. Note that the images will start showing in a light box and you will get specific controls like a full expand button, zoom in, zoom out, share, close and the next previous arrows. There is the number below the image showing the serial number of the current image. That's everything for the Axen Gallery widget. Thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe. We'll bring more videos soon. See you next time.